You ready? Let me get her aimed up. All right, I got my Navy mechanic son working on the secrets of the Kubota. This thing was kind of boggy going uphill with a load on it, and we figured out a little bit of a tweak to the base of the injector pumps. Wait. On your marks, get set, go! And it seems to be giving us a little more power. A lot of people have had this issue. I've read all over the internet with these Kubotas, and it seems to be just a tiny bit out of adjustment, not getting enough fuel. Ready, set. So I'm also going to order a high performance air cleaner, because we notice a difference when we take the air cleaner out and run it. It's got more power, it's noticeably more, and a little less smoke. So go! Oh, I got a slow start on that one. Oh. I wiped out again. God dang it. I'm gonna do that, and we got a little of adjustment, but it's running much more juice now. Okay, here we are, December 28th, and we got Matt's second cedar log for his outdoor shop loaded up, and we are gonna make a delivery. I'm gonna be quiet in this video because Matt said that my silent video is my best one when I'm not talking. So here he goes. Right now I'm quiet. Sorry, just can't do it, man.
Really close to your cover when you bump it. Show me what it means. When you
Man, looks beautiful.
Is that straight?
It's pretty dang close. I mean, it needs to go forward just a hair. Oh, I'm talking about your other one. Same tree.